G'day, I'm Dr. Philip Button from the Food Entrepreneurship Academy, where here I am on a sunny summer day in Melbourne on the University of Melbourne's Parkville campus. Just a stunning spot. Last weekend, we had our Ask a Food Scientist session, where we had several interesting and insightful questions about food entrepreneurship, food science, nutrition, all those topics. Off the back of that, we're running our summer roadshow this summer across Australia, where you can meet me, come and ask an informal question, discuss, debate, talk, network, all of the above. It's starting the 28th of this month. First one is in Canberra. Then after that, we're in Hobart on January 13, Melbourne on February 5, Perth, February 22, Brisbane, February 23, before wrapping up our Food Entrepreneurship Summer Roadshow in Sydney on March 5. If you've got a question, any question at all about food science, food technology, nutrition, your product, if you're an aspiring food entrepreneur or are a food entrepreneur or a small scale manufacturer in food, then come along, register, come along and ask a question, meet me, and we'll have a chat, network, and just talk food. So yeah, our Food Entrepreneurship Summer Roadshow this summer across Australia. Look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Bye.